how receptive was your employer to you not having an IT background? And did having this certificate in the BA course help get that position?
Can you repeat the question?
Yeah, the question is, how did you manage not having IT experience, and were employees receptive to that, or did the course that you've done, did that help you kind of fill the gap? And before you start, Ujjwal, let me also give everyone a little insight onto that. So typically what we do is we look at your current resume and see what your background and experience, where you come from. And in Ujjwal's example, he had retail experience and knowledge in the retail world. So in a business analyst position, there are two aspects. One is the business domain that you carry, and the other one is the IT knowledge, IT skill set that you bring in. So for the business domain aspect of it, we look at your current resume, even pulling into all your education, and find out how much of it relates to BA, and try to emphasize those areas that closely relate to BAs, and then suppress areas that would undermine your value as a BA. So we take BA as your target role, and then try to find out as much as possible from your current resume, so that you can start somewhere instead of starting as a fresher if you have prior work experience. And Ujjwal, if you can continue, please.
Sure. And to add on to that, requirement, and they do a little bit interview preparation, and there's a consultants portal that you can kind of prepare for all the questions that might be asked for interview, and they provide feedback. So I did significantly practice that, and when I went to interview, then I think I was pretty prepared. Of course, you're not going to get all the interviews, but I think I did fare pretty well on most of the interviews that I faced, which was about